Stand in the line.
Shh, everybody stand in the line. Yeah, do you want to go check it out? We're right here.
Let's go. Yeah, let's go
Where
check
you
it
guys
out.
at?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, by the way, the
Yeah.
some supplies.
Wait, come on. There's gonna be the third. Okay, we got some supplies.
Oh my god.
Okay. That was impossible.
Yeah, he's not real, bro. That's just me.
Yo, guys, elevators are still working.
Yo, that's weird. I thought
Yo,
the
come
elevators
in.
were working.
Wait, no. Oh,
Where is
shoot.
everyone?
No.
They don't
enough
let
people.
We're coming back. Oh, come on. Yes. It was so weird.
No, he won't.
He
bro.
is so creepy.
That's such a
No,
lie.
he won't.
Bro, I heard, guys.
Luckily, we have guns. I heard there's a
Guys,
fallen
careful,
angel
careful.
here.
Wait,
I
don't know
heard
where
he
we're
likes
going.
to touch
Guys,
little
guys,
mice.
Yeah.
Guys, don't look at her. Don't look at her, guys. Don't look at her. Key card.
Oh, mug. What the heck?
Guys, look. I found a radar.
Hey,
Guys,
buddy.
I found a
What is it?
radar.
Guys,
There's a door.
there's a key card.
Guys, I also found a key card.
Guys,
Yeah.
I found a key card. Guys, I found. Where you guys at? I found a hallway.
Yo, there's a weird hallway.
Some of the office
I'm gonna
halls
go this
broken.
way.
All these glasses.
I'm gonna go this way.
I'm gonna go over here.
Go to the office.
Maybe crawl in
Guys,
this
look
and
what I
jump on the
found.
floor.
We have to go
Guys,
this
look
way.
what I found. I found a gun. It's gold. It's customized.
Oh, guys, there's another robot. There's another robot.
No.
Look.
No.
Look.
Look, if you throw something in here, it instantly burns.
See? Look. I found a room.
Yo,
Look.
holy cow.
There's a room over here.
With the
Yeah,
monkeys.
What's in here?
Oh, monkey.
Guys, guys,
I found,
look,
I
listen
think
to
I found
this.
the main office room.
Flashlight?
Yo,
Guys.
thumbs up.
Guys, I think I found the main office room.
Ah,
Guys,
oh.
over here. I think I found the main office room. Over here. Wait, no, guys, come back. I found a radio.
Yo,
back, I found
whoa. The legend is true. Yo, a legend is true, Mike. That's it. We're gonna be Wait, I don't have anything to on it.
Someone found a radio. Guys. Where are you guys at?
I found a radio. I might be getting Yo, guys.
Guys, I found a radio.
Guys, look, we got a
I
helper
also
pad.
found a radio. Do you want to listen? Yo, guys,
Look,
I found a radio. Super valuable.
radio. Be careful, there's a bomb back there.
watch out! Guys, let's go back. Let's go.
Go back.
Whoa,
Yo, guys, I found a radio elevator. I found an elevator.
Oh frick, Jim McBob died. Jim McBob died.
I didn't die.
Ooh.
No, I didn't.
Jim McBob died.
Come on,
I'm just
over
saying,
here.
Mc-
I'm Bob. I'm Bob.
I'm just
I
kidding.
didn't die. I didn't die.
I know you didn't die. I just found another.
See, look, come here.
I found another. Wait.
Look at the lava. Look at the lava.
What the? No way, guys.
See, look. See, look. If I throw the shield down here, it instantly
It burns.
guys, it spawned back in. We gotta run. Help me! Thanks. I tried jumping across. Where are the others? Should we go down here?
Guys, I found a radio.
Yo,
I found a radio. Guys, I found a
Let's
radio.
not go down there.
Guys, I found a radio.
Down there yet.
Look
Over here.
Guys, I found a radio.
Guys, I somehow revived.
I found
from
a
my
radio.
bed.
Yo,
I found
guys,
another
look, I found
office.
a radio. Look, guys.
There's so many offices. What is this? What is this?
One. Good. Yeah? Ooh.
Yeah.
What?
None of the computers work here.
That's weird. Well, it's probably because it's abandoned.
Mine's not working.
Abandoned, but...
I found another area. Dead end.
Wait, no!
It's a dead end.
No, my backpack!
The book.
Yo, read it!
What is that?
Read it! Read the book!
Read it.
Read...
Guys, I found a flashlight.
I found a flashlight and it's on. See, look,
I found
look,
some scissors!
it's on. And look, there's a coffee cup full of. There's a coffee cup of
Guys.
old coffee. Look,
Come here!
look.
Wait, old coffee? No, wait,
Look,
I found
there's
that
old
too.
coffee in here.
I found some tape!
Wait.
Guys, I found some tape!
I'm
I
Chris.
found some tape!
You said old coffee?
I found some
Yeah,
tape!
it was old.
I've been drinking this coffee for like 5 minutes, bro.
Guys, I found a radio!
In.
I found a radio, guys!
Guys, I'm starting to think we lose a few people.
Few people.
Guys, I found a radio! Guys, I found a radio!
Blue,
Look, guys.
don't you think? Blue,
Guys,
don't you
I
think
found
we're
radio.
missing a few characters?
Guys, I found a radio!
Don't you think we're?
I'm not feeling good.
Yeah,
I
we're missing.
died.
Yeah. Another office. Wait a minute, is this the main office? Nope.
Look at her and run. Don't waste your ammo.
Let's go down to the sketchy area.
Yeah, we can do that!
I found a tablet. It shows us the monsters where they
Do
are.
that!
Where's everybody?
Blue.
Look. Look. Blue, dark blue, look. See? A radio. It can show us the monsters.
No, look, I found a radio. Guys, I found a radio. Look.
Guys, we only have one way to go now.
Guys,
Down
I found
over
a radio. I found a radio.
Guys, we got one more area to go to now. Come on. Jump.
Don't fall.
No. Okay. Use the zip lines.
He can kill you one
Remember
shot.
his name being Jeff.
Look, it's empty. It's
What's
empty.
this? Oh, coffee.
This is empty.
That's my coffee.
Guys, let's go down here. Down the stairway. Guys, let's go down the
Guys,
stairway.
I found a radio. See, look. Look, guys. I found a radio.
Yeah.
Now with robotic arm.
Here, guys, here. Guys.
Guys, I'm almost out of ammo. the rumor. I think that meant that over here, but he doesn't see the shine machine. Don't touch it. I've been here before. This was where I.
Wait, guys, I got some key cards. Guys, I got some key cards. Wait a minute, it says this is called a duplication machine. Apparently it said. Oh yeah.
I'm almost out of ammo though. I don't have any more ammo.
No.
I still don't know the way at the loading. I think my leg's broken.
Whoa! Guys, look what I found! I found some key cards and this thing.
You'll make it back.
Guys, I found a ring. No! Don't chuck that in. This might be informative. Guys, look! Guys, look! Come on, guys, look, guys.
Yeah, we're all safe.
I found the radio.
Yo. I'm hanging on for my life right now because I feel like there's something behind. Guys, I'm gonna. Hold on. I just died!
Guys! Guys, what is this? What does it say though? Wait, hold on, I think I have a decoder.
I'm one of the main characters. Guys, I'm right outside your doorway, and I hear someone. Guys, I'm coming.
That's mine. Bro, that's mine. I have nothing.
No?
You know what I love tasting? Blood. And you wanna know what we have? Blood. What?
Oh yeah, by the way,
I just realized.
Frog is an imposter.
Why not? Oh, look.
Stay back! Oh god, I got shot. I got shot, guys. I got shot.
You got shot?
I got shot.
How do you know that I'm an imposter? Even though it looks like I came back from the dead, it doesn't mean I'm an imposter. I know, I faked it. So Jeff would think I was already dead. I literally just used the teleport. Alright.
There was an RPG and I'll blow all you up. Just know that. Better be ready, y'all. Better be ready. I see where you are on my little camera app right here. I see where we speak with an whatchamacallit? PvP has been turned on, so you might as well leave the game while you can and save all your stuff with you. Because I'm coming down there with an RPG. At least 10 of them, to be exact. And I'm gonna blow that place to smithereens. But until the machine's almost full of blood. You know, if you try to guys, my was be right there. Why?
Scared the It's not loaded. I just killed him. Bro, we need to do a roleplay, bro. We need to do a roleplay where, like, it's hide and seek and... Bro, we need to do a roleplay. Dude, we need to go into a PvP active lobby, and we need to, like, do, like, a hide and seek in the office, bro. That would be awesome. Bro, come on, bro. Can we do it, like, later? Like, when is later?
What?
Oh, let me tell you now. PvP's active. I changed it. So come here.
In the duck room.
Come here. Hands up.
I really need a...
Come here.
I lost my pistol during combat.
I have found you. Come here. Come here. Hands up. I won't shoot you. I won't shoot you. Come here. I won't shoot you.
Whoever's in the studio.
He's hurting me.
Guys,
He's hurting me. Get away. RPGs are coming active in 3.
Wait, no, we can't. It's too late. There's a landmine that if we trigger it, it blows up at all.
Come here. Come here. We don't have hope.
Guys!
Run. Come here.
Just run.
Go! Run!
Careful.
I don't have hope, man. I have to stay here or die.
Help! Anyone want to do? Anyone want to do that? That's fun.
I said stop the elevator! Stop it! Shot again! He's in! Alright. We need to do a horror movie. We need to do a horror movie.